National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, until 6:45 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 30 nautical miles northwest of Gunpowder River to 24 nautical miles northwest of Middle River to 17 nautical miles northwest of Key Bridge, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, North Point State Park, Hart Miller Island, Chester River, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Towchester Beach, Wharton Point, Pools Island, Spassuti Island, Love Point, Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Northeast River, 7-foot NOAA, Kent Narrows Bridge and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the official